In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make video with Wave.video. We'll walk through creating a polished video using Wave.video's AI, then refine it in the editor so it matches your message and style. Start on the My Projects page in Wave.video. This is your dashboard where all your videos live. From here, look for the Create button. Think of this as starting a fresh project, completely separate from anything else you've worked on. When the creation options appear, choose from text. You could start from a blank canvas or pick a template, but using the AI from text option is a fast way to generate a complete starting point. It can build scenes, select visuals, and add music based on what you describe. You'll see a field to type your prompt. Be clear and specific. Describe the topic, audience, tone, and length you're aiming for. For example, include whether you want an upbeat promo, a tutorial, or a calm explainer. Mention any key points you need on screen, preferred calls to action, or general visual direction like modern, minimal, or energetic. If you have brand colors or phrases that must be included, list them here. The more context you provide, the better the first draft will be. Click Next to move on. This takes you to Format and Style. Choose the format that fits where you'll publish. Horizontal for YouTube or websites, square for feeds, and vertical for stories and shorts. Then pick a style preset that matches your brand personality. These presets influence fonts, color accents, and transitions. Don't stress about perfection yet. You can always tweak these choices later in the editor. When you're happy with your selections, click Create Video. Wave.video will now generate your project, assembling scenes, suggested text overlays, stock footage or images, and background music. This can take a moment, and it's normal to see a short processing time as everything is put together. Once the video opens in the editor, you can refine it further. Adjust scene text for clarity, shorten or extend clips to match voice timing, and replace visuals by searching the built-in stock library or uploading your own media. Use the timeline to tighten pacing and the scene panel to reorder or remove sections that don't serve your message. Swap music for a track that fits your tone, and balance audio levels so narration is clear. If you want voiceover, you can record or upload one and align captions for accessibility. Finally, apply brand colors, update fonts, and add a logo so everything feels consistent. That's it. You've created a video with Wave.video using AI and polished it in the editor.